Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Trying my internet connection, so I guess it's working. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, hello, everyone. Let me just give me 1 second so I can fix something. Okay, guys, hello and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. This is your host Rami Kamar from Centurion Invest. I am the market analyst. So today uh, we'll be talking about mainly three things. First, we'll be talking about Centurion Invest and the products available. Then we'll talk about some news that we have for this week, and of course, what happened yesterday, which was a very big event. The Fed, of course, and lastly, we will do some technical analysis on 3 to 4 coins. So if you have any questions, please do let me know so I can do some analysis for you. Okay, so this is your Centurion Invest account. When you log in, this is the website. When you log in, you can see the account overview. You can see whatever you have in CIX, whatever you have in Bitcoin, Ethereum, spot. So in fiat, in crypto, this is the USDT, this is the USD. Uh, Whatever balance you have in CIX, which is the native token for the company, for the exchange, for the platform. So it has a huge project, guys. It has a huge future. I advise you to look at it. It's currently priced at 0.038. It went listed at 0.03. Uh, it has huge potential, guys. Let's look, for example, in the current account. Let's make some deposit. Of course, this is only like a demo. I will just show you. So here is the payment method. For example, you can do it in credit card and wire transfer from your bank, and in P2P, for example, if you live in Lebanon, you can do P2P. So let's look at one of the most important and the most technologically advanced product we have, which is the virtual card, or like the Visa card, where we have a virtual and a physical card. So this is the card, guys. As you can see, you have 4 packages for the card: the Premium, Elite, Infinite, and Maximus. So it depends on the balance that you have in CIX. For example, if I have, for let's say, $6,000 invested in CIX, I can get the Infinite card, which has a $50,000 annual spending power. I get the 30% discount on fees, and the fees are paid in CIX from the bonus you have in CIX, actually. So that's something very good. And of course, later this month or later this year or the start of the next year, we will be launching the physical card. So, for example, if you used to have any card from the bank, which is physical, and you used to pay at point of sale, you can now do it with our Visa card, which is directly linked to your crypto wallet. And lastly, we'll talk about some gift cards that you can buy either using the USDT account or using the credit account. So the let's say the Visa card account, the debit card. These are the gift cards, whatever you might think of BN Connect. So, for example, if you want to see BN Connect, so you can see all the packages available. So, for example, this 1 month voucher, you can pay either with crypto or with your balance. So, every card you might think of, everything. Also for the debit card, you can buy whatever you want. Over 2 million merchants, over 200 countries. So it's basically global. And that's it for the website, guys. Now let's talk some fundamentals. Today is Thursday, December 1. Yesterday we had the monthly closing and as well the daily closing. So today, new month, the last month of the year, 2022, is almost done. So for today, we have two major news, which are the core price index and the manufacturing index, the PMI. So these are two important events. Of course, the week has been full with events, especially yesterday. Yesterday we had three major news, which are the ADP changes, the job openings, and the Fed. So what happened yesterday? Let me use this tool so I can tell you what I am talking about. Okay, so if you do this. Okay, so what happened, guys, is that for the GDP, we had an expectations of 2.8, but what happened is that we came in at 2.9. So 2.9% the growth, uh, like compared to 2.8, 2.9 is higher. So we got higher than expected growth rate in GDP, which means that the economy is doing well, unlike what most analysts expected. So what this means is that the Fed can like raise interest rates higher than usual because the economy is doing well. So what they want to battle right now is inflation. So the number was really good for the stock market to go down, for gold to go down, for crypto to go down. Then came the job openings. So this is the news at 5 p.m. It came in more than expected as well. So 10.33 against 10.24. So as well, more than expected, which is like had the same impact as the first news. So the stock market. So a bad news for the stock market, for the gold market, for the crypto market. However, the last news that came, which was the Fed Powell. So what happened with the Fed? Let's look here. So when the Fed started talking, the Dow Jones, the stock market ended up like, for example, the S&P went up 3% yesterday. The Nasdaq went up 4%. The Dow Jones 2.8%. This is the S&P. This is the composite index. The Nasdaq, it went up 4.4%. You can see that this Alibaba went 9.6%. HP went 8.5, huge upside for the stock market. And let's look why this happened. So let me. Okay, so the US equities closed out the month on a positive note because the Fed Reserve Chairman Jay Powell indicated that the central bank, which is the Fed, may decide to raise interest rates at a slower pace. So the key word here is slower pace because, guys, uh, let's also do this for me to explain a bit. So what was expected, guys, is that the Fed raised interest rate at 0. I don't know why it's lagging. I hope you're seeing my screen. So what was expected is the Fed to raise the interest rates 0.75% in December. But when the Fed said this at a slower pace, this means that they don't want to raise interest rates by 0.75%. What they want to do is they want to raise now the interest rate at 0.5%. So raising interest rates lower than expected boosts the market because, as you may know, higher interest rates mean lower stock prices, mean lower gold prices, mean lower everything. So this is what happened for the. Guess I'm lagging. Okay, so I guess my laptop freezed. I'll just. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes just to see what's happening here. It's the first time it happens, so. Hmm.